Hey everyone, Coach James here with another 1 minute take on hamstrings and adductors. So I posted about injury prevention and kettlebell swings as one of those tools that we teach early on and as far as a hip hinge progression goes. But one of the things relating, and we have to separate some of the exercises, is that your hamstrings divide into two. One goes medial, the other one goes lateral. The bicep femoris goes lateral, and that's where it seems to be most of the hamstring strains tend to lie. And the exercise, the Nordic curls, seem to be the highest and most proficient in regards to preventing some of those injuries. You're going to check out our website and visit some of our blog pages where we are going to show you some of the exercise progressions leading into how to bulletproof your hamstrings. And I hope this helps.